Okay, guys, I'm gonna do an updated recording on how to save an STL file off of Fusion 360. Um, First of all, this assignment is to be done after you have created your dice and your dice is completely done. Remember that there's three parts to the assignment. First, you design the dice and take a screenshot, and that's the 3D dice. The second assignment is to upload an STL file. So this is the tutorial for how to upload an STL file. And then after the STL file upload, you'll need to create a GX file, which is in another software. Be sure and check that video out. So I have my dice all done. It's this one's not done, but yours will be. So when I'm ready to save it, I'm going to come right or create an STL file. I'm going to come right here to this bodies over here on this menu, and you'll notice that there's a little caret looking thing on the side. If you'll click that, that expands the menu, and now I have the option of a body right here. And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to save it as a mesh. Okay, so make sure you right click, and then right here in the middle is save as a mesh. Once you've done that, you're going to get this fly open menu right here. By default, it's going to be on this 3MF setting. In order for this assignment to work, you have to change the format to an STL file. You notice that there are two different options. We have been doing the top one, which is STL binary. Okay, so I'm going to select that. Units is inches. I'm going to say OK. Once I've done that, I want to make sure to have you guys save this as what it is and whose it is. So this is Dan's dice. Oops. Okay. Now, so that's my name and what it is. That way I can identify it when you turn it in. And then where you save it is going to be simplest if you change it to save it to your desktop. And Fusion 360 is a little bit silly on how they do it. So these little three dots right here is where I change where I'm going to save it. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select desktop right here. I have a ton of stuff on my desktop, so hopefully you won't have as much as I do. I'm going to say open, even though I'm not opening anything. And that says right there that that's where it's going to save it. By default, it should go to the downloads folder. So if you accidentally skip this step, you can still find your file in your downloads. But later when we do the GX file, this is a lot easier if it's on the desktop, because it makes it so you can just drag and drop right into the slicing software. And after that, I just hit save. It already exists. I'm just going to say yes, just because yours won't. And that's how I save an STL file. At this point, I would go to my my Canvas page, and I would go to the STL assignment, and then I would find this file that I just saved and turn it in there. For your information, it will not accept any other file type but STL. So if you saved it as a different format, it won't let you turn it in on that assignment. It has to be an STL file. Okay, good luck. Go to it.